Not gonna lie, the van smells a little fishy this morning thanks to last night's lobster. This would be the view from this morning's breakfast table. Mainly Nora, but also the water. What's wrong? You don't like watching the seagulls crack their food on the rocks? Is it upsetting? Here comes one. Where are you gonna drop him, man? I think that's an eagle. Can't really see it from here, but it just upset all. Yeah, it's got the white tail. Wow. Did my first bit of off-roading in the Chevy venture. I'm gonna miss the Jeep Wagoneer. Taking this car off-road's a bit like taking a lawnmower off-road. Feel like I'm taking half the grass with me. I gotta turn you. Temperature gauge like the off-roading. So yeah. Well, are you gonna get it? We're all waiting. Don't drown on me. Got a girl. Had to hold you away from the shake there. Long ways away from that day. Thank goodness. Chilling by the beach with my dog on the laptop. Gonna take a shower here in a second. The shit. Nora, why'd you steal that stick? Well, the shower worked good. It's probably about 98 degrees to 100 degrees coming out of the bag. Sat on the hood of the car for a little over 2 hours. And it's sunny and 70 degrees out, so heated all the way up to 98 and 70-degree weather. 4 gallons of water. No pressure behind it, but got plenty wet. Feel clean. Gonna put some clothes back on. Thanks for watching me shower. What a weird guy. Who films themselves taking a shower? Who takes a shower outdoor by a van? Did you see Nora stole my stick halfway through the clip? Knocked my camera over. She didn't want you all to see me taking a shower. I would assume that's going out. Could be coming in. I don't know. There's water everywhere around here, so I don't know. Well, I mean, never mind. I know that's going out. Right? No, it could be coming in from over here. No, it's going out. Definitely going out. Sorry it took me so long to figure that out. You'd think that'd make a good fishing hole, right? When the tide's going out. Just left this whole little area. And I'm sure it's pulling some type of food out with it. I'd imagine somebody would sit there and munch on stuff as it comes through the channel. I don't know. There's definitely mosquitoes out. Good thing I took a shower. Good night.